Welcome to this brief tour of the core capabilities of the document library within Alfresco Share. I've already created an Alfresco Share site called CMIS. Within that site there's a document library which is initially empty. First thing I'm going to do is upload some documents. I've got some CMIS related documents on my hard drive, so I'll select those and start the upload process. As you can see, there are documents of various formats including PDF, PowerPoint, Word docs and Excel spreadsheets. Okay, so here are the files in my document library. First thing I'm going to do is tidy them up a little bit. So I'm going to take the meeting minutes and I'm going to move those into a new folder. I can use the multi-select feature so that I can move them all in one go. And here they all are in the meeting minutes folder. I'm now going to adjust the permissions so that all users have the ability to read those meeting minutes. Okay, let's go back to the documents folder. I'm going to hide the folders and I'm now going to go into detailed view. In detailed view, I can now see extra information about each of the documents directly in the browse. So I can see metadata about the document, and I also now get a thumbnail. This is a thumbnail of the actual content of the document. Let's click on this PowerPoint presentation. I'm now in the detail view of the document. I can see the metadata of the document, including its name, its content type, etc. I've also got metadata such as title, description and author. This information has actually been extracted from the document itself. On the left hand side here, I can actually view the content of the document itself. I can view it within the web browser. I don't need the native application, in this case Microsoft PowerPoint. I can skip through pages, I can zoom in, I can scroll about. Let's edit some metadata. I'm going to add a tag, presentation. We can see that the tag has been set. I'll now go back to my documents library and I can see the tag now on the left hand side. If I click on that, it shows me a filtered list of documents that are only associated with that tag. Let's now look at a Word doc. Again, I have the ability to preview the content without the native application, in this case Microsoft Word. I can skip through the pages of the document, scroll up and down and zoom in. I can also download the document directly and view it within the native application. Let's go back to my documents directory. What I'd like to do this time is actually edit that Word document. So I'm going to click the edit here. I'm now in a view that shows me all the documents that I'm currently editing. This is effectively your checked out list. Let's assume that I already have an updated version of the document on my hard drive. So I will select that and check it in. This is going to be a minor version and I shall give it a check-in comment of added issues section. That is now checked in. If I go back to the detail page of that document, scroll down here, I can see a version history. Now I have version 1.1, which is the one that has the issues section added, and I can see earlier versions, the original, and if I wish I can revert. Okay, let's go back to the documents. What I'd like to finally show is the ability to search. So I'm just going to type in the word proposal. These are the matches, Again, I get thumbnail previews. I can just click on the document, in this case a PDF, and again I can just browse the content within the web browser. Okay, that concludes the brief tour of the document library within Alfresco Share. Thank you.